Okay, so we are live on YouTube. A very good evening to the chief guest, Miss Laurie Souza ma'am, crypto blockchain, fintech, DeFi educator and advisor, Souza Group. Our guest of honor, Advocate Sumit Kansal sir, managing partner, Kansal Law Chambers. Our guest speakers, Mr. Shubhang Khare sir, director, Law Internships, the online law school, and Ms. Bhavya Bhatia ma'am, head legal department, Law Internships, the online law school, the participants, the students, the viewers, and everyone else present here. I am Riddhi, head coordinator at Law Internships, the online law school, and host for today's ceremony. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome everyone at the panel for the valedictory ceremony of Lex Concieta Foundation Month, the annual Law Fest, organized by Law Internships, the online law school. I'm very glad to share that 150 plus students have participated from Pan India in the event and has showcased their talents. I am proud to announce that the biggest 4-day Law Fest has brought students from different areas together with a motive to present, prove, and conduct something with their common goals. They have developed a multifaceted personality to face the real world. A set of fresh and traditional competitions which was carefully designed for the growth of the mind of a law student, where each one of them have enhanced their legal skills and tested themselves in the following events. That is National Maxim Bee competition, second National Law Quiz competition, National Impromptu competition, National Article Writing competition, and second National Judgment Writing competition, and the last is National Memorial Drafting competition. Now, I am profusely joyed to introduce our guest speaker, Mr. Shubhang Khare sir, Director, Law Internships, the Online Law School, Assistant Professor and Placement Officer, PIMR Indore. Sir has completed his graduation as well as post-graduation in Constitutional and Administrative Law from Christ University, Bangalore. He is very much keen at teaching students and has years of experience in teaching and served as an assistant professor in law colleges. Sir realizes the importance of internship program and is having an experience as training placement officer with a demonstrated history of working in the higher education industry. He's very much passionate about taking law internships, the online law school to greater heights. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Shubhang Khare sir to introduce Law Internships, the online law school. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Riddhi, for the kind introduction and a pleasant morning to our esteemed chief guest, Miss Laurie Souza, ma'am, educator from USA, and uh, uh, a pleasant afternoon or evening to our respected guest of honor, Mr. Kansalji, who is an managing director of Kansal Law Chambers. And I would like to thank Team Law Internships for having me here amongst the eminent personality across the globe. And as today we virtually gathered here in the valedictory ceremony of Lex Concieta, which is a foundation month event and the annual Law Fest presented by Law Internships, the online law school. And being a founder and the director of this organization, the sole motto behind launching this forum called Law Internships is to provide internship opportunities. As I am currently an assistant professor and a placement officer at PIMR Indore, and my priority aim has always been to provide internship opportunity to every student at least once in a year. And let me tell you this, as per the Bar Council of India, Rule 25, in every academic year, one internship is compulsory of 4 weeks. And I'm glad to say that I have been successful in assisting my students in the same. Sometimes students from other colleges also approached me for internship opportunity. And when a few institutions have invited me for the guest lecture, they all and there I have seen that there is no culture of internship. And I saw that most of the universities, colleges are not aware about the importance of internships. And here, the whole idea of law internships came into picture. And that is the reason I always say law internships is not a company, but an idea to reach out to those students who are not really following this culture of doing internship. And proudly, today I can say that we have a family of 20,000 plus students of in law internships. And but this is not the easy task for us. When I started this organization, I have seen there are 400 500 CVs which we received, and they were seeking for internship opportunity from our forum. And we were only able to provide to 200 students an internship opportunity, and rest of the students were asking us, okay, why our CV is not getting selected. Even continuously we are applying since 3 or 4 months at law internship. Then me and my team find out the root cause problem of the solution of not getting CV selected. And here we tried to assist law students for the improvement of their CVs. And for the improvement or building their CV, we have decided to organize such sort of national events so that student can participate by two ways in this competition. One, by volunteering in this competition, and the other one as a participating students in this competition. So gradually they are increasing the value of the CV by participating either way. Also, we have a separate team in law internship forum who works for the CVs. And if any students are facing problem, if any students are facing problem while making CVs, then we have a separate team. They can approach us, and we build CV for them. Also, we are providing lot of various certificate course in the field of law, especially in the emerging field of laws like IBC, energy laws, intellectual property rights, cyber crimes, etc. Also, we are providing certificate courses in substantial law like IPC. Also, we have two very important certificate courses in our organization for law students. That one is constitutional law, and the other one is comparative constitutional law. So this is how we are gradually increasing our organization by providing these sort of uh, products to our law students. And our main motto is always to build individual CVs and provide the internship opportunity to the law students. And I will not take much time. And so last but not the least, I would also like to thank our eminent personalities from law fraternity for backing us with their constant love and support. Without their constant backing, we would not have been able to reach till here. Also, thank you so much, Ms. Lori Souza ma'am and Sumit Kansal sir, for accepting our invitation to join this 4-day Lex Concieta valedictory ceremony. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. We will definitely work hard and live up to your expectations. Now, with immense pleasure, I would like to introduce our chief guest, Ms. Lori Souza ma'am. Ma'am holds an MBA in Global Management, Bachelor of Science in Technology, and a post-baccalaureate in Education. Over the past 11 years, ma'am has taught contract law, agency, and ethics as it relates to business, economics, investments, and real estate. During the previous 2 years, ma'am has moved her knowledge base to the meet the new digital economy which is before us right now. As a certified international blockchain technology advisor, currently ma'am is providing advisory, leadership, and education in emerging financial technology applications, blockchain, and cryptocurrency. We welcome you, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Ms. Laurie Souza, ma'am, to address the forum. Over to you, ma'am.
Well, thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here and very honored. Thank you. And first of all, I'd like to wish you all a tremendous congratulations for your hard work and perseverance to complete your program. And I'm honored to be here as chief speaker today to share a bit about where you're going and now that you are graduated. You're going on a new journey, and one that's not as easy to follow as a syllabus, one that is not what you have learned verbatim in a textbook, but your future is going to look so much different than the future of the generations previous to you. You see, all your hard work that you've completed wasn't just about finishing the syllabus, and it wasn't just about the content. It is the process that you are taking through, and the process that inspires the thought to be a free thinker and to place an inquiry. And the inquiry, perhaps you ask, what if? Well, that's something that futurists think of, right? And I consider myself to be a futurist. And you are all our future leaders. So what if? What if we could have a future that is inclusive, where ethics is regarded higher than regulations? What if we had a future that promotes authenticity rather than conformity? A future that honors and respects these qualities within all of us, the qualities only found in the human spirit. Can a digital world promise these things to us? Well, you are the leaders, and so you will be the ones that will make the laws around a digital global world, laws that are not in effect today, that aren't even existent today. So what if we have a cyborg helping us in the kitchen? What if we have a virtual computer that is accessible anywhere? What if a 3D printer could create anything that you wanted or needed? And what if the world had flying cars? Okay, now I'm futuristic. What if the world had digital money? All these things exist today. However, there are no laws around it, not yet. We can't help but integrate technology in all we do in our lives today. And the technological advancements that you will be facing in the next 10 years will far exceed the technological and financial advancements that we've seen in the last 50 years. Think about that. Technology is moving very fast. So one thing that's thought-provoking, and keep your inquiry open. Question everything and continue with your work to be creative. And the digital global space, here we are, it's new territory. So it's one all in its own. And what if? What will you create with this space? There's no borders anymore. And so never forget your creativity or your authenticity in your work and in your inquiry, and think outside the box as you discover implementing and integrating technology into the framework of laws. So every word you speak and every law you create, you are making a difference in guiding society where we're going to be going. So now you're graduating. Now you're starting off with a blank slate. And in this new digital era, what are you going to create? As you move forward on your journey as a leader, and you are leaders, you're world leaders, what is it? And what if? What is the future you'd like to create? It's up to you. As you inquire, never forget your creativity. Thank you for having me here. And
Thank you so much,
congratulations.
ma'am. The young generation is truly inspired by you. I take
Thank
this
you.
opportunity to introduce our guest of honor, Advocate Sumit Kansal, sir, Managing Partner, Kansal Law Chambers. Sir is a practicing lawyer and a qualified CA, having his independent law firm, Kansal Law Chambers, in Connaught Place. He's an alumnus of Sri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi, and qualified as CA in his maiden attempt. Sir is a gold medalist in LLB and a prolific professional with a rich and varied experience of more than 10 years across multifarious industries and sectors. His areas of specialization are corporate and tax laws. Now, with immense joy, I would like to invite Advocate Sumit Kansal, sir, to address our young minds. Over to you, sir.
Many thanks, Ms. Jinder and Mr. Khare, for organizing such a wonderful program. And I would say this competition, Lex Concieta 2021. Kudos to you for the article writing competition, as also the memorial drafting and the maximum B competition. Very nice. And thank you, Ms. Souza, for a wonderful introduction and letting us aware of cryptocurrency and digital currency. I'm myself a chartered accountant and would be a pleasure learning such nuances from you. So friends, Ms. Jinder, I think most of them are law students and on the verge of completion of law. Is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, okay, I would mention a few aspects, friends, for the purpose that in COVID-19, I feel all of you are safe and healthy, but there is a sudden change in the legal practice. The things have been functioning, and more specifically, the total turnaround in the service sector we all have seen. So, my humble advice and suggestion is don't you lose hearts. And one important aspect which I would like to bring forth by way of this medium and platform is that be disciplined. Somebody told me, and I feel it more pertinent these days, the more disciplined you are, conversely, you get more freedom. I say disciplined, you have 24 hours, you're staying home, keep importance on your health, keep importance on your work, on your studies, on your financial management, on your relations. You can do so many things. And success, my friends, is not compartmentalized. It is not just you achieve certain marks or do something, but it is holistic. As we see today, some people maybe perhaps not taking care of their health or something, financial issues happening. So manage things, and that is how you will be a success. We are in a digital economy, as Ms. Souza rightly mentioned, that we have to move. Today the things are quite easy, but then we have to adapt to the technology. We have to move in a digital manner. The courts are functioning like this. I recently read an order in which now e-filing in the NCLAT is not happening. They have allowed that only perhaps only e-filing is happening. Now physical filing is not there. You have to change with the things. So change is the only constant, I would say. And moreover, in this scenario, don't have a pessimistic attitude. Be very optimistic. Look around for opportunities. The aspects of management organization become all the more important. Friends, let me tell you one thing. You might be understanding, some of you might become lawyers, some might become judges, legal practitioners, or be teaching in the law schools. Drafting a certain thing or arguing before the court of law or perhaps doing certain research is not the end of everything. You have to have certain kind of managerial skills. You must understand how your cash flow is flowing, how clients are paying you. You must understand how you have the purchasing ability. That is very important. And that is the best time to gain now. You have lots of YouTube videos, you have books to read. So don't just compartmentalize yourself and be creative, be open. And worry is only the misuse of imagination, right? So you have to be optimistic, you have to be smart enough. You have to see which sectors are growing during this economy. GDP might be falling, but then there are certain industries which are rising. For example, insurance, health sector, technology, online education. Align your legal field, align your understanding according to it. As also become digital savvy, understand how e-filing is happening. Just be aware, just as you use Facebook, as you use WhatsApp or Insta, start using devoting 1 hour in a day. I tell you, friends, if you devote 100 days, 1 hour every day, in 3 months, you will see a sea change in you. So that is my humble appeal or advice which I would say, which I myself adopt. So we are being with family. It's all good. We are safe. We are grateful to God. But at the same time, just don't lose your focus. That is very important. So this is Miss Riddhi from my side. Certain words and advices which I wanted to bring forth for everyone.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words, and I'm sure young generation will keep your words with them throughout their career. So finally, the time has arrived, and I'm sure every participant is waiting for the results of Flex Concieta. So I think let's not keep you guys
Right.
more awaited. Now I would like to request Miss Laurie Souza ma'am to announce the results of National Impromptu Competition, National Judgment Writing Competition, and National Law Quiz Competition. Over to you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so kindly. We have the first that I'll be announcing is the second National Law Quiz Competition. And with this second National Law Quiz Competition, I'm going to announce the second winner, who is Saba Arshad Saeed. And the winner is Hamani Mahashari. So congratulations. Do we have any step up?
Of you.
So they might be the Himani is there, and Saba Irshad. No, Saba is not there, but Himani is there.
Okay,
Saba Sayed is also there. So
congratulations.
both of them are there.
Both of them. Sabha
Okay.
Shayyad is here, and other one is also here. Very good.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. And I apologize if I mispronounce your name. National Impromptu Competition. All right, you ready? The second winner is Bhupal Gupta, and the first winner is Abhinav Salakari. So congratulations. And the third competition we have is the National Judgment Writing Competition. And the second winner here is Riddhi Sanjay Kabadni. Congratulations. And the first winner is Semran Sharma Sirvanish Gar. So congratulations.
The winners are not there of these competitions.
They're not here.
So hearty congratulations to all the winners, and thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would like to request Mr. Sumit Kansal sir to announce the results of National Memorial Drafting Competition, National Article Writing Competition, and National Magazine Bee Competition.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. So the second winner of the National Article Writing Competition goes to Main Mawara Mahmood. And the winner is Catherine Jose. Many congratulations to both of you.
I hope the participants are here.
They're not there?
No, sir, they haven't joined. They might be with us on YouTube.
Okay. Let me announce for the memorial drafting, right?
Yes, sir.
For the memorial drafting, the best appellant goes to Malini Mukherjee, and the best respondent goes to Tarun Tripathi and Umang Singhal. Many congratulations. And I was also the judge in the drafting competition, which insights I'll share with you in a few moments. For the National Maximum Bee competition, the second winner is Saeed Umar Ali, and the winner is Shivam Kashyap. Many congratulations. Well done.
Thank you, sir, and a big congratulations to all the winners. You guys have done a wonderful job and you have showcased your talent throughout the event. Further, I am profusely joyed to introduce our head legal department, law internships, the online law school, Ms. Bhavya Bhatia ma'am. Ma'am is a legal associate at Elitis Law Chambers, New Delhi, and head legal department at Law Internships. Ma'am has also worked as a law researcher with Honorable Mr. Justice Yogesh Khanna, High Court of Delhi, and ma'am is a graduate from School of Law, Christ University. She is currently practicing at the High Court of Delhi and various other forums at New Delhi. Her practice of area includes dispute resolution, corporate, and commercial laws. Now, I would like to invite ma'am to propose a vote of thanks. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Riddhi, for that wonderful introduction. Good evening, everyone. I think it's good morning at uh, Miss Souza's place. So, I, Bhavya Bhatia, on behalf of Team Law Internships, would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Miss Laurie Souza ma'am, Advocate Sumit Kansal sir, and Mr. Shubhankar sir for taking out time from their busy schedule and joining us today for the valedictory ceremony of Lex Concieta, Foundation Month, the annual Law Fest of Law Internships. The participants present here must have surely taken away a lot of insights from your experiences. I would be failing in my duty if I do not thank the team of law internships without whom this program would not have been possible. I once again thank all of you for